Casey, Snap had been seen as sort of a best of breed performer in this market, especially back weeks and weeks ago. Seems like an eternity when Meta alone was falling, but now not so much.
Yeah, that's right. It seems like this company has been all over the place when it comes to predicting its own fortunes. You know, it's told us that it was sort of going to emerge unscathed from app tracking transparency, and now here it is. So one big takeaway here, I think they're much more dependent on brand advertising than even they thought they were.
So given that, and given what we're seeing happening in Pinterest too, I mean, last I looked, Pinterest, I'm looking again, is down about 24%. Also, I mean, not so much brand, I guess. Pinterest, a bit more transactional. But what's this saying about the economy that we're heading into? And what do you expect the impact to be on how these companies are valued by potential acquirers, by their employees?
Yeah, well, we're already see the multiples collapsing in the marketplace, right? Investors are just no longer confident that they can get the outsized returns that they've been counting on for about the past decade. And with fears of a recession, I think investors are understandably nervous that one of the first places that is going to be felt is in the ad market. So these ad-dependent social networks are really at risk of exactly this sort of thing.
Casey, we do have some on the sell side today trying to defend the name. Truist, for example, thinks it is the brand segment that was seeing the greatest slowdown, but that's sort of cyclical. And in his view, Yusuf Scully, transitory, that in some way fundamentals remain healthy. How do we square that with the price action today?
Well, I mean, I'm actually sympathetic to that view, right? Like, this is a product that has hundreds of millions of users. It has some really future-looking products in development, including a lot with augmented reality. They have a drone coming out later this summer. So I suspect there's still a lot of upside in Snap for the future. But right now, investors are just really spooked across the market.
Yeah, and Casey, to that point, you heard Evan Spiegel sort of defend his investment plan, saying that it's still going to be a period of significant investment for the business. That doesn't seem like what the market wanted to hear, but do you think that it can do that while being under so much pressure?
Yeah, I mean, they have money in the bank. It's clear that they're going through a rough quarter, but I wouldn't be quite so doom and gloom with this particular company for the reasons that I just mentioned. I think there's still a lot of upside, but you know, right now the market's putting a lot of pressure on these social networks to show real short-term results, and most of them just don't have those to show.